All right, for the next part, we're going to do some word problems in section 7.4. The PowerPoint has a word problem there. So Ian reads an ad in the newspaper. Banking is advertising continuously compounded savings account. That's important. That it's continuously compounded because that tells us what formula to use. And then it gives you some information. It says if you open up a $10,000 loan, after 1 year, you'll have $10,202.01. All right, so this is the information they gave you. The principal, the amount you're starting off with is $10,000. You're going to end up with the amount at the end is $10,202.01, and that's after 1 year. Now, because it is continuously compounded, it's going to be this formula, the one with the E in it. So it's the A equals PE to the RT. If you plug in all the information you're given, $10,202.01, the principal is $10,000. E is not a variable, it's a number, so it stays where it is. And the question was asking, what would the rate have been? They didn't tell you the rate, so they're wanting to know what the rate is, and we're going to try to figure that out. Well, on this problem, if you divide by the 10,000 to get the E by itself, because the R is trapped up there, I want to get the E by itself, divide by that, you're going to have 1.020201 is equal to E to the R. Now here's the new part, the part that puts it in this section. In order to get the variable out of the exponent, normally what I'd try to do is get the bases to be the same, but I can't get the bases the same because one of them is base E and the other one is just a random number with decimals. It's crazy. So here's what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to take the logarithm of both sides. Now, I'm going to take the ln of both sides. Now, the ln is the natural logarithm. Let me explain what that is, okay? The natural, we told that the common logarithm is log base 10 of something. This is the common logarithm because we use it a lot, okay? But log base E of something, that is called the natural logarithm. That's the natural logarithm. And the shortcut for writing that instead of writing log base E is they just call it the ln. The ln. It's French for logarithme de naturel. So the ln just means log base E. It's the exact same thing. Now, why would I use log base E on this problem? Well, look on this right-hand side. If it's log base E of e to a power, the log base E is saying, okay, what power do you raise this E to make it e to the R? In other words, the ln and the E cancel out, leaving you just the exponent. If you have a base E, the way you get rid of base E is taking the ln of both sides. And it just goes away, leaving you the exponent as now a regular just number. All right. Now, the ln of one, sorry about Charlie hollering, he's 2. But over here, you got the ln of this number. That's just a calculator exercise. You type that in the calculator, you're going to find out that that's 0.02. In other words, the rate is 2%.